Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno7, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this smartphone. You need to start by going into Play Store and downloading your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to install and click Home button. Then access devices settings, scroll down and click on apps. Following that, you need to click on the food app and select one of those options. I want to change my browsers, I will go with browser app over here. And now you need to click on the app that you wish to set up, in my case Opera. And finally, click on the back button to save your changes. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!